Good evening, friends. Today I have got a topic which is more, relevant for your prelims exam, which is supposed to be on the 4th of October. So, because see, every year you get a question on international organizations and their reports. So, it is more like either, mostly they give you the report and they ask you which organization publishes or releases that report, right? Or it can be vice versa also. So mostly the trend which we have seen is that every year from 2014 to 2019 you have had a question on reports. Fine. So what we'll be doing over here in this small video with me, that I will be showing you the questions which have been asked every year from 2014 to 19. What are the type of questions being asked, and on the basis of that we'll be covering the important reports which is important for our prelims, because you are very sure that you are going to get a question on this. You be rest assured about it, because there is not a single year UPSC has not asked question on it. They haven't missed a single year. So this is something, if you prepare, you are going to get it right, no doubt about that. Okay, so we'll just start the discussion. Straight away I would like to help you have a quick revision of the questions which have been asked. I know all of you must be well versed with the question papers, but still it will give you a quick recap of what the questions have been asked, and we have to just prepare it and keep it, aside in terms of, writing it down somewhere or stick it somewhere, anywhere you feel like, so that you keep revising it. You're not going to miss out on this question. You are not going to miss out at least to, anything related to reports. You have to click if you are thorough with it. Fine. So the 2019 question which was asked is Global Competitiveness Report. The 4 options were given to you and the correct answer was World Economic Forum. WEF releases this report, okay, competitiveness report. So when you see the option, see, when it is something related to competitiveness, okay, competition, markets, when you're talking about that thing, you have World Bank and IMF would get eliminated anyway, because they are not responsible for this. Their work is different. I'll be telling you what they are into. So the 2 options which you will be left with is World Economic Forum and this UNCTD. So, but the correct option is World Economic Forum. So I'm not telling you, the, way of eliminating, but just in case, if you are stuck somewhere. So it has to be between these 2, but the correct answer is World Economic Forum. Because see, this has also thing to do with trade and development. Okay, but Global Competitiveness Report is released by World Economic Forum. Okay, this for your 2019 question. Next, 2018 Rule of Law Index. Okay, this report is released by World Justice Project. Okay, these 4 options were there and the correct one was this. So you can see every year there is a question. They haven't missed it out any year. Now the next is Global Gender Gap Index. Okay, you have 4 options. Again, the right option is World Economic Forum. World Economic Forum releases a lot of reports. It has the maximum reports. So further in my slides, you will be seeing what are the different reports of this, organization, and why it is important. Then 2016 you got this Ease of Doing Business Index. This is something you read all the time in paper, when you get ranking, that where India is ranked. Now the rank has improved in last few years, because when we had different kind of programs to help the entrepreneurship, and we are helping startups grow with our Startup India, Stand Up India, such kind of schemes coming into play. So this is done by World Bank. Ease of Doing Business Index is released by World Bank. 2015 the question was on Global Economic Prospects. Again, this is the report of World Bank. Okay, 2014 you had a question on World Economic Outlook. This report is published by IMF, International Monetary Fund. Fine. So we have covered the questions which have been asked. You had an idea what kind of questions are asked. So what I have done over here is that all the 3 big organizations, World Bank, IMF and World Economic Forum. These are the three top organizations which reports have been asked maximum times. As you can, see the further previous slides. So at one place I have given you, reports of these organizations so that it would help you, jot it down somewhere and, revise it again and again. So already you have seen. Now comes World Bank. Oblique I have written IBRD. So what is this IBRD? This is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Okay. So what is this? World Bank oblique IBRD. IBRD is, actually we have a World Bank group. Okay. We have a World Bank group which comprises of 5 organizations. In that, the first organization is IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. So in the options, if you don't get World Bank and if you get IBRD, then also these reports are correct. Okay, that is why I have mentioned it over here, because World Bank group comprises of 5 organizations. Okay, in that one is IBRD, other is your IDA, International Development Association, other is your International Finance Corporation, then you have your Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency, and so on. So like this you have 5 organizations, but you will be only asked from IBRD, not beyond that, because see, this is the wing, this is the World Bank organization which is responsible for lending. Okay, because I would like to say you what is the role of World Bank, what does it do? The role of World Bank is that it helps, it finances projects. It finances projects by giving loans and advances to developing countries. Okay, so it helps developing countries fulfill their commitments of big projects. That is the work of World Bank, of lending loans to developing countries so that it helps them grow. Okay, so जो World Bank जो ये lending का काम करता है ना, वो IBRD करता है. तो if World Bank को हम कहते हैं, या World Bank is lending, but on behalf of World Bank this IBRD lends. Okay, बिकॉज ये लेंडिंग विंग है. वर्ल्ड बैंक का जो लेंडिंग विंग है वो क्या है? IBRD. ओके, सो आई हैव गिवन यू ब्रीफ आइडिया ऑफ व्हाट वर्ल्ड बैंक डज. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड बैंक. Number 1, which we already seen in previous year questions, ease of doing business. Second, World Development Report, not asked yet. Third is Global Economic Prospects. Fourth is Remittance Report. Fifth is Ease of Living Index. Ease of doing business, ease of living index. Next is Universal Health Coverage Index. Because if it is health, then you should not be confused with an option like World Health Organization. No. Universal Health Coverage Index, again World Bank. The Service Trade Restriction Index, World Bank. India Development Update, World Bank. See, from 4 to 8, these are some uncommon ones, but these 3 are the most important ones. Ease of doing business, World Development Report, Global Economic Prospects. These 2 have already been asked. Okay, these 5 I have given you so that in case you get it, you are not going to miss out on this. Okay, so with this we complete World Bank, what is role of World Bank, and what are the different reports of World Bank. Now we come to IMF. IMF, the full form, International Monetary Fund. So it has 3 reports, 3 major reports. World Economic Outlook, Global Financial Stability Report, and Fiscal Monitor. This has not been asked yet, Fiscal Monitor. So when it is, it's related to fiscal, it has to be IMF. Okay. So now I'll tell you in brief what is the function of IMF. I have already said you about World Bank. See, a lot of people get confused between, the difference between World Bank and IMF. That, both दोनों ही lending का काम करते हैं, kind of. तो क्या दोनों में difference है? देखो, difference ये है कि जो IMF है, ये ensure करता है global monetary cooperation. Lending नहीं, global monetary cooperation, ताकि financial stability maintain रहे global level पे, इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड फैसिलिटेट हो, एम्प्लॉयमेंट हो, इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ हो. ठीक है, तो इसका काम जो है टू चेक दैट सब कुछ ठीक ठाक हो रहा है ग्लोबल लेवल पे, और पॉवर्टी रिड्यूस हो रही है वर्ल्ड में, ठीक है। ग्लोबल मॉनेटरी कोऑपरेशन, जो मेन काम आईएमएफ का है, ग्लोबल मॉनेटरी कोऑपरेशन। एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड वर्ल्ड बैंक का क्या काम है? लेंडिंग एंड हेल्पिंग फिनेंसिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स इन डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज, ठीक है। तो अब आईएमएफ का आपको आइडिया आ गया कि उसका क्या है। सो एक्चुअली ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी को पूरा ट्रैक करता है आईएमएफ, ठीक है। और दोनों ही जो है आपका वर्ल्ड बैंक और आईएमएफ में दोनों में ही सेम नंबर ऑफ मेंबर कंट्रीज़ है, दोनों में 189 मेंबर कंट्रीज़ है, और ये ही जो कंट्रीज़ है इन सब की फंडिंग करती है। आईएमएफ वर्ल्ड बैंक की जो फंडिंग कहाँ से आती है? इन कंट्रीज से ही आती है, इन मेंबर कंट्रीज से। ओके, सो द रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ आईएमएफ नाउ विल लुक एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन दैट। तो दीज थ्री आर द मेन रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ आईएमएफ। वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक आउटलुक ऑलरेडी पूछ चुका है, दीज टू आर द वंस विच आर स्टिल लेफ्ट। ओके, नेक्स्ट, नाउ कम्स द बिग वन, वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम। अब जो वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम है, इससे बहुत क्वेश्चंस पूछे भी जा चुके हैं, और ये वन ऑफ द सबसे ज़्यादा जो रिपोर्ट्स है इसी की है, ठीक है। तो इसकी आप एक रिपोर्ट्स यू कैन गो थ्रू, बट मैं उसको थोड़ा सा आपको एक ब्रीफ में बता देती हूँ कि वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम एक्चुअली क्या है, WEF क्या है। WEF क्या है? एक्चुअली एक इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है फॉर पब्लिक प्राइवेट कोऑपरेशन, ठीक है। पब्लिक प्राइवेट कोऑपरेशन करवाता है, और ये इंश्योर करता है कि ग्लोबल लेवल पे जो भी है बिजनेस, कल्चर्स, इंडस्ट्री, रीजनल, सब एक साथ मिल के दे डू समथिंग गुड टूवर्ड्स, मतलब वर्ल्ड लेवल पे दे डू समथिंग गुड फॉर एवरीवन। ये इसका मेन मोटो है, ठीक है। ये हेल्प करता है, सब चीज़ों को ग्लोबल कोऑपरेशन करने में बहुत हेल्प करता है, ठीक है। इसीलिए इट इज़ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप। और आज के टाइम में अभी जब कोविड का जो सिनेरियो है, ग्लोबल कोऑपरेशन इज ऑल द मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट देन एवर, एंड यू ऑल नो व्हाई इट इज सो, ठीक है। सो इसकी जो रिपोर्ट्स है, जो इसकी सारी रिपोर्ट्स आई हैव डॉटेड इट डाउन ओवर हियर, प्लीज डू टेक नोट ऑफ इट। फर्स्ट इज ग्लोबल जेंडर गैप रिपोर्ट, ग्लोबल competitiveness report, global risk report, social mobility index, travel and tourism competitiveness report, inclusive development index. Just few days back we have done inclusive development. तो inclusive development जो index है, it is done by WEF. Okay, human capital index very important. Enabling trade report, world power language index, Global Energy Architecture Performance Index report, Global Environment Performance Index 2016. Okay, sorry. Actually, this year is just because it is released actually every year. Okay, so yeah, so over here you got an idea of different reports. देखो major वाली यही है जो मैं top 3 है, gender gap, competitiveness, risk, and human capital inclusive development index. These are the ones which you have to pay special attention to. उसके अलावा भी still I have given you others also, so that you do not have to go and search for it. So with this we complete World Economic Forum. So 3 जो हमारे major है हमने कर लिया है। उसके बाद we come to other reports, okay, because in this lecture itself I want to give you a total idea of reports, so that you don't have to hunt for it anymore. You have done it, I don't think so you'll get beyond this. Okay, so other international organizations, Human Development Report, United Nations Development Program, Global Multidimensional Poverty Index, again UNDP, Gender Inequality, UNDP. अच्छा, UNDP ये जो है ये क्या है? It helps in like development program. इस नाम से ही आपको समझ में आ रहा है, ये help करते हैं different countries में इनके programs चल रहे हैं, और ये help करते हैं for development, ठीक है। तो डेवलपमेंट इन व्हाट से, डेवलपमेंट क्या होता है? इनइक्वालिटीज़ को रिमूव करना है, पॉवर्टी के ऊपर हमको वर्क करना है, ठीक है। तो दीज आर द थिंग्स दे आर वर्किंग इनटू, ठीक है, सो दैट एक्सक्लूजन ना हो, लीडरशिप स्किल्स हो, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप प्रमोशन हो, ये सब चीज़ पे ये लोग काम करते हैं, ठीक है। तो उसीलिए मैंने कहा इनइक्वालिटी करते हैं रिमूव, तो जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी है, पॉवर्टी पे वर्क करते हैं, पॉवर्टी इंडेक्स है, एंड ओवरऑल ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट, सो ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट। तो थोड़ा सा अगर आपको आइडिया है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के काम के बारे में, आप रिपोर्ट को यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई। ओके, देन यू हैव योर global money laundering report, financial action task force. Okay, related to whatever it is related to money laundering and all, वो इसके बारे में ये, this is the organization responsible for it, financial action task force. Okay, then you have your global hunger index, international food policy research institution, ग्लोबल फिनेंशियल सिस्टम रिपोर्ट. देखो यहाँ पे जो है ना फिनेंशियल सिस्टम रिपोर्ट, इसको देख के कई बार लगता है वर्ल्ड बैंक होगा या IMF होगा, तो उसके लिए नो, इट्स बैंक ऑफ इंटरनेशनल सेटलमेंट्स. ये दिस वन इज़ वेरी इजी. ग्लोबल वेज रिपोर्ट, इट्स ILO, इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. देन यू हैव वर्ल्ड ऑफ वर्क रिपोर्ट, अगेन वर्क वेजेस, इट्स ILO. एनर्जी आउटलुक, इंटरनेशनल एनर्जी एजेंसी. वर्ल्ड ट्रेड रिपोर्ट, वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. हैप्पीनेस रिपोर्ट, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट सोल्यूशंस नेटवर्क, ये आपका बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड ऑल्सो आई गेस. वर्ल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट रिपोर्ट, ये देखो वर्ल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट रिपोर्ट है UNCTAD, ठीक है, जो वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम के साथ वो वहाँ पे ऑप्शन में था, तो इसकी जो रिपोर्ट का नाम है वो है वर्ल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट रिपोर्ट. देन यू हैव योर ग्लोबल इन्वायरमेंट आउटलुक. इन्वायरमेंट है तो इट्स इन्वायरमेंट प्रोग्राम, यूनाइटेड नेशंस इन्वायरमेंट प्रोग्राम. एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक का दिस वेरी इजी, एशियन डेवलपमेंट आउटलुक. अच्छा, ये आपकी यूनिसेफ की रिपोर्ट है, स्टेट ऑफ वर्ल्ड चिल्ड्रन रिपोर्ट. यूनाइटेड नेशन चिल्ड्रंस इमरजेंसी फंड, इसका काम आप सबको पता ही है, चिल्ड्रंस के लिए दे आर वर्किंग, दे आर वर्किंग अगेंस्ट अर्ली मैरिजेस, चाइल्ड लेबर, उन सब के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन इन ऑल द कंट्रीज वर्ल्ड लेवल पे. वर्ल्ड ऑयल आउटलुक, OPEC है. एनर्जी रिपोर्ट एंड लिविंग प्लानट रिपोर्ट, वर्ल्ड वाइल्ड लाइफ फंड. ग्लोबल इनोवेशन इंडेक्स, WIPO, वर्ल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स, because intellectual property ka they are responsible for that. Innovation index, it has to do with something new, something different, something which has a patent. So इसके लिए global innovation index के लिए आपका WIPO है, ठीक है. So with this we complete this topic, and it was more of you seeing the reports and identifying. Didn't have much to explain, but still I wanted to have all of you to have a look at it, those who are appearing for the exam, that you're not going to miss out on this, at least a quick revision for you. And yeah, thank you so much.